When a dozen eggs costs more than a gallon of gas, and your daycare bill is higher than your monthly mortgage payment, it's best to budget and save money as much as possible. And if you're facing separation or divorce, you may think it's best to save by not hiring a lawyer. And I get it. I'm attorney Erica Baez, and I'm here to tell you that even if inflation has hit your wallet hard, a do-it-yourself divorce is still a bad idea. Even if you are ready to separate or divorce quickly, there are 3 big reasons that come to my mind for why you'll want to avoid those online sales for a DIY divorce kit that claims to give you all the right papers for a quick divorce. Number 1, with a lawyer, you save time. My first job as a lawyer was serving as a law clerk to a judge. And one of my responsibilities was reviewing his divorce case files before he did. And I would review all the paperwork and match it with a checklist to make sure it met the law's requirements. And the list is specific and it's long. Nearly every day, I'm not kidding, I would send a letter to divorcing parties who clearly did not have lawyers. And it was obvious many of them were attempting a do-it-yourself divorce. And while I sympathized, there were obvious mistakes. I knew corrections must be made by the parties before the judge would sign off. Most of the time when something was wrong, it would take a few attempts for parties without lawyers to get it right. And this could take weeks or even months. But when a lawyer who knows what they're doing is involved, they can get you to the finish line without delay. Number 2, believe it or not, you actually save money. It's important you have a lawyer looking out for your rights during a separation or divorce. You simply don't know what you don't know, and a lawyer will make sure your rights are protected and that you are not waiving rights to financial assets. What am I talking about? Things like retirement accounts. Don't waive rights when you shouldn't be. A lawyer can also make sure you are not offering your ex more than you should, such as alimony, which is no longer a tax deduction. Number 3, you save heartache. Unfortunately, I've talked to people who have already signed online forms that waive financial rights. Sometimes it may be too late to help them. I've also had clients who signed samples before they came to me that they found on Google that obligated them to terms not fair to them at all. They may not even understand what they have signed, and I've seen that too. And when you are stressed during the divorce process, you need someone looking out for you. A lawyer is there to prevent emotional and rash decisions, which are understandably easy to make, and they could impact the rest of your life and that of your children. Engage an experienced family law attorney at the beginning of your separation to save time, money, and heartache. Haste makes waste, at least in my world, but our team is here to help you. For Erica Baez Law, a boutique family law firm in Richmond, Virginia, I am Erica Baez. Check out our website at baezlawrva.com, submit an intake form, and book a consult if you have any questions about divorce or separation. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.